Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan. Today we're going to do a little bit of thinning here. These are our pumpkins that we have planted for the pumpkin patch in the fall. And I like to plant heavy. And of course we're seed savers, so we have an ample supply. But I plant these pumpkins about 3 feet apart and about 2 plants per area. So I plant 7-8 seeds in here for a couple of reasons. The first reason is we have quail that like to eat them, and I don't want to be back out here replanting later on because we're specifically targeting a date. These are a 95-day pumpkin and we're shooting for the end of October. So I plant heavy and I get a lot of plants. So this means that they've got to be thinned. Well, thinning does a couple of things. First and foremost, thinning gets it down to the appropriate plant population, you know, for the sake of root space and water and all that stuff. The other reason I like to plant heavily is that some plants come up a little spiffier than others and some are a little slow. Well, by thinning to the 2 best plants, I'm improving this variety of pumpkin when I go to save seeds. So saving seeds from better plants is always a good thing. So the other thing is a lot of people just go in and pull. Well, that's kind of hazardous because you get collateral damage. If I yank this one up, there's 7 plants in there and the roots are interwoven. When I pull one, I damage other roots. So for that reason, we take a minute longer and we use a clipper. So I just go in here, I select the best plants, and I come in here and I clip away. And like I said earlier, I'm going to cut this to the 2 best. And now I have the 2 best plants here. I'm improving my pumpkins and I've got plenty of room to grow. And you can see the variation on the size of the plants. So it's just a real good thing to do. It's good to thin them and it's good to save seeds.